Now let's solve this equation by completing the square. And my first step will be to factor out the 3 from 3x squared minus 6x. But I won't factor 3 out from the 45. I'll just toss that over to the right hand side of the equation. So negative 6x divided by 3, negative 2x. Like I said, I'll just take this to the other side by adding 45 to both sides of the equal sign. And over here, I want to add a number that will make x squared minus 2x plus whatever that is into a perfect square trinomial. So to find out what that number is, I'm going to take the negative 2, and we'll divide it by 2, and I'll square it. Negative 2 over 2 is negative 1, squared positive 1. So I will add a 1 here, and over on the right hand side, to balance the equation, I need to put the 1, but times the 3 also. Whatever that number is, we put in front of the 1 and we multiply them. Okay, so we're going to get 3 bracket. Now, this whole thing we can just factor, and it will factor very nicely because it is a perfect square. And to find out what that number is, we can just divide the middle one by 2. So negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. And over here, we just have 45 plus 3, which is 48, of course, because 3 times 1 is just 3. So 3 plus 45, 48. Now we can divide both sides of the equation by 3. So I get x minus 1 squared equals 16. Because 48 divided by 3 is just 16. Now we can take the root from both sides of the equation. Get plus or minus over here. Those cancel out. So x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 16, which is 4. Then we can add 1 to both sides to isolate x, and we get 1 plus or minus 4. So we have two answers. The first one being 1 plus 4, which is 5. The second one being 1 minus 4, which is negative 3. So x is negative 3 and 5. And that's it.